Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I am summertime fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Callie Dreams, and if it is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to talk about how to refresh your braids. Now, I usually get braids in the summertime because it is hot, and after the 4-week mark, you'll notice a significant growth in your hair. And so, you know, if you want to kind of extend it to 8 weeks so that you can kind of get the bang for your buck, then I'm going to show you how to do it. So yeah, this is a way to extend your braids, make it last longer, and still look fly. As you can see, it's hard to see where my parting is because of the new growth. You can see I don't have my edges together. I don't have any gel on it or anything. This side is a little bit thinner. I had like a what is it called? One of those frontals on, and I didn't know how to take it out one time. That was the first and the last time I got a frontal. But yeah, you can see like a little bit of patchiness right here. But overall, I have pretty healthy hair. I have thick hair, and I'm going to show you how to, you know, maintain your hair and refresh it in a healthy way. So usually, it depends on how far you want to go back. But I usually take like the first 2 rows. I'll take the first 2 rows like this, and then I'll section it out and put the rest back. Some people, they'll do the whole head, but usually I just do the front because you really can't see the back. And I'll take it out like this, and as you can see, you know, I had actually washed it first. So I had washed it yesterday, allowed it to dry, and now I'm going to refresh it. Because if you wash it now, your hair is kind of wet, and there's other methods on how to not get all your full head wet and just get your scalp, okay? The product that I'm going to use for when I'm going to refresh it, the first product is going to be the Naturals Design Essential Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. This is what it looks like inside of it. It's kind of clear. I tried to look for the extra hole, but I couldn't find that in the house. So what I do is just take my finger like this, and I'm starting with the second row right here in the back. And I just put it at the base of my hair. I put it at the base of my hair, just rub it in like that at the bottom. And then what I do is I twist it. I twist it back. Yep, what I do is I just twist it back. Just make sure all that is rubbed in. I pull it, and then I add the clip. Then I'm gonna go to the first row right here. And I'm only doing, I usually just do the second row first and then the first row, but I'm just doing this just so that you can see it. I put that gel all up in here. And I'll worry about my edges later, so I'm just trying to show you how to refresh it. I put it all around. And then I twist it back. I take my clip and hold it. So this method is similar to those who have dreads where they're twisting their hair, but this allows, you know, for the demarcation of where your parts are. So it's just basically enhancing the part and making it look more refined. I'm just going to keep doing this process until you see the end result. I have a slight little widow's peak, so I just try to bring this up a tad bit. I tried to shave my widow's peak off one time, and then it had this weird stubby look to it, so I was like, I guess I gotta live with it. It just looked weird growing back. I'm moving on to my second clip, and I love these little clips. I got it from Sally's. Okay, so I did 2 rows and I pinned it back, and the next thing that I'm going to do is just get some of that. I went to like a Beauty World or a Black Beauty Supply store, and I got this styling spritz. It is the extra body, extra fast hold, so any type of, you know, regular spritz would do. What I do is just put a little bit along the edges right there to let it hold. Take my scarf and put it on the edges. So, you know, usually I keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I take it down. So when I do wash my hair, I only wash my hair every 2 weeks because I don't want to let my hair become dry. And when I have those moments when I work out more, I do wash it once a week, but I try to do it at least every other week so that I can keep the moisture in. And in between, what I usually do is I'll put some strengthening oil or like revitalizing hair follicle strength, so these little drops, and I'll put them in between, you know, my hair. And especially, you know, sometimes I wear like sew-ins, and so I don't really get to moisturize my scalp. It feels so good in the summertime to allow my scalp to breathe, allow it to grow, and so I use that chance to put these drops in my hair. I don't know if you've heard of the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, and then I have the Miel, and so I usually get these from Target. Alright, so I'm about to take my hair down. I'm gonna take this scarf off. I have let it dry for a while. And as you can see, I still have the clips in, but you can see that it looks more refreshed. And so taking it down, it looks good. And so that is how you refresh your braids. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.